All right, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to process refunds in Stripe. The tricky part about this is that I don't want to, excuse me, I don't want to go into my any of my clients' Stripe accounts for a couple of reasons. I would have to. It would take a lot of effort to blur out the amount of stuff on there, and it sounds and seems like a really big hassle for something that I can just explain to you in the best way I can. And if this isn't an understandable tutorial, just feel free to let me know, and then I will make another one. And I'll pay someone to do the blurring for me. All right, so let's say you got an email or someone DM'd you or someone got in contact with you some sort of way. They're not happy with the product and they would like a refund. First off, I would like to say do not sweat this. This is a normal part of business. I guarantee you the owners of Target, the owners of any NFL team do not cry over refunded items or refunded tickets. They obviously want to know what it is that caused that refund, so that they can try and reduce them in the future. But notice the twist around on that. Their goal is to be able to sell more tickets in the future, not dwell on that refund right there, right in that moment. But that's just a little thing about refunds in general that I feel like needs to be said because people can get hung up about them sometimes. Now let's go into what exactly it is that you do. Assuming that you have Stripe, I've yet to use another payment processor, so this is one of those things where, like, if you ask me about another one, I'm not going to be able to give you a straightforward answer because this is what I've used, and it hasn't failed me yet. All right. So what exactly do you need to do in order to process refunds? So they've sent you a refund. First thing you need to do is check to make sure that they've actually paid for what they said they've paid for. No, that's actually not what you need to do. No. First thing you need to do, sorry, but I do not plan on editing this. First thing you need to do is just go to Stripe, and you want to just type in the email that they've emailed you from. So let's just say, john@yahoo.com. And then what's going to come up is a customer ID and profile. And then what you can do is just click on that, scroll to the purchase that they are mentioning, and then there will be three little dots. I realize that I'm speaking very vaguely right now, but let's say this is the purchase thing. There will be three little dots just like this, except sideways. You'll click that, and then you'll see a button that says refund charge, and then you just refund it. It's literally that simple. If at any point you type in their email and their purchase doesn't pop up, all you have to do is email them back and ask them, hey, what email did you use when you were paying for the program? They'll let you know, and then just follow the same steps. Go to their name, type in their email, or you can also type in their name if they have a unique name. But sometimes they spell it wrong. Sometimes there's a bunch of people with the same exact name, so sometimes that won't work. So then you'll have to email them, figure out what email they purchased with. So cool, they send you that. They're like, hey, I purchased with this email. And then you search that up. And then once again, you'll see their customer profile pop up, or you'll see something else that pop up is the actual product that they paid for. You can click on that one as well. The only difference is the button to refund is going to be up here somewhere. So just click that and then hit refund. Or if you have to click on their customer profile, you'll just scroll down, find those three little dots next to the product that they purchased, and then click refund. It's literally that simple. And then obviously you want to send them a message back, let them know that you're sorry about that. Sorry about the weird cut. Someone kept messaging me. You'll message them back, let them know that you're sorry that they didn't like it. Figure out what it is that they didn't like about the program that made them want to get a refund. But a lot of times they'll tell you what it was right there on the spot. And then after they do that, you can just go ahead and refund them. No, sorry. Just apologize, let them know, okay, sorry about that. Your refund has been processed, and it should show up. It should show up back into your bank account within the next 3 to 5 business days. A lot of times they'll say, "Cool, thanks," and then that'll be the end of it. It's literally that simple. Sorry if it was a little too vague because I couldn't show you actually what buttons to push, but it truly is one of the most simple things. And once again, let me know if this wasn't sufficient, and then I can make one where I'm actually showing you on the inside of an account where there's payments actually coming in, and I'll just blur out any sensitive information. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.